Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a project that I haven't tried before. I'm going to be using this suspending base and I'm going to try to do an in the pot swirl. I haven't seen this done online, so I can only assume it would be similar to that of cold process soap. I'm going to give it a try, see how it comes out. For my colors, I'm going to be using titanium dioxide for one color, which is white. For this one, I'm going to be using Bubblegum Bliss from My Micro Obsession and activated charcoal. The fragrance is black raspberry and vanilla. I have a lot of this, and this is just a 1 kilogram test, so I don't want to waste anything, but I also want to give it a bit of a fragrance. So let's get started. I'll melt this down in the microwave, and then we can go from there. Okay, so my base is melt down, and I'm just going to add the fragrance. It's 20 grams. Okay, I'm going to mix that in really well. So what I intend to do is split this up into 3, which would be the bubblegum and the black, and then this one will be the white. And then the other 2, I'm then going to pour back into this white and then pour it into the mold. So it should be interesting to see what happens. So I've just got this container on top here. I'm going to pour 300 grams into it. I don't want to put a lot. So there we go, there's that one. So this one here, which is my main, will become the white one. And I'm just going to add some titanium dioxide to it. Okay, let's just get an idea of the temperature at this at the moment. It's 130, it's 126, and it's 125. So hopefully it will be all right. I might have to microwave it for 10 seconds each, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so for this particular one, I'm gonna put some rubbing alcohol in this container, paddle pop stick. Mix that in. Okay, we mix that in. I haven't used this activated charcoal on melt and pour base before, so I don't know how it's going to react, but we'll give it a go. I probably could have used black liquid dye, but I like the actual fact that I can use activated charcoal. So they're all very fluid still, which scares me, especially at this temperature. We'll just check the temperatures again just to make sure. So 119, 122, 118. Wow, that's really low. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this pretty quickly. I really have no idea how this is going to turn out. This could be a total disaster. Red in this side, black in this side, and then pour it so that it comes out equal. Okay, here we go. I might try and save a little bit for the top on both of them. Okay, I'm saving a little bit for each one of them. All right. Here we go. Okay, I'm just going to pour it in the center. It's looking mostly black at this stage. Here comes that pink and the white. Oh, that looks beautiful. How good does that look? That right there. I'll have to go up and down a bit. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, I've got a little bit left over of the pink and the black, but no white. I should have left a little bit of white so I could have white on one side, black and red on the other, and then do like a swirl on top. I'll see what I can do. I'm going to let this set though for at least a little bit until it gets a skin, and then I'll try and do some sort of design on top, because if I go to pour this in now, it's just going to sink and ruin what I've made already. So I'm just going to let this set for a while. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so the skin has been formed. It's a little bit firm, so that's all right. Just going to spray the top. So what I figure, if I pour the black on one side, the red on the other, and then the white in the middle, I'm hoping that's how I can do this. I really want the white to be an accent, not a full color. So I'm only going to use a little bit of white. Okay, and this is the last of the red. So just give that a spray with rubbing alcohol, just to soften it up, even it out a bit, and then hopefully, no, it doesn't want to move. I'll just have to move it side to side then. Now it's got formed the skin already on top. Might be able to get a little bit more white in down there. Okay, not exactly what I was after, but you know, with these things, you never can tell until you've actually cut it open. So I'm going to come back in the morning and open this up, but for you, it will be now. All right, so it's a bit later on that night, and I'm going to unmold this and see what it looks like. Wow. Oh my goodness. Let's take you over to the light. Beautiful. Don't know what that is. It's like cracking or something. Anyway, I'll make a couple of cuts, see what it looks like. You don't have to push down. In this soap base, it's actually really soft. Okay, I'll show you the end. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. I'm wondering actually if I could cut this with my wire cutter. So this is the wire cutter that I use for my cold process soap. I'm going to give it a try, see if it works. Because this base is a lot softer. Only just. Nice. I can see that this side creates like a, I don't know, like a little bubbly type effect where the blade is really smooth. I'm not a fan of that matte look. I like it to be a little bit more smooth. I think I like the knife. Nice. Yeah, so this was the end where it was mostly black. Still looks good. So that's that one. So I'll put in a couple of close-up shots right now. I like how this turned out, except for the fact that it's a little bit washy. I've noticed that I've done a swirl like this ages ago, and it came up pretty much exactly like this one. It went down the center and came back up the other sides, and then swirled around itself. And that's sort of pretty common when you pour down the center, and it gives you this type of design. But it smells amazing and I like it. I'll have to perfect the method of trying to get this. Maybe I need to pour it at a colder temperature into the pot and then mix it from there. But I've got 12 kilograms of this, so no doubt I'll give it another try soon. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.